Welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. We got Jeff and I'm Robbie. Today we're doing another twist on our mojitos. We are doing a blueberry mojito.
Ooh, I love blueberries.
This is gonna be a good one, man.
Really good.
I'm really excited about this one. So, what you'll need for this recipe, you're gonna need our Muddy River Silver Carolina Rum.
Yep.
Phenomenal rum. You're gonna need blueberries, lime,
Mint. We're gonna use club soda, some kind of sparkling water. We're gonna use simple syrup and our lime juice here.
Cool.
And of course blueberries.
And blueberries. That's what makes the blueberry mojito, right?
Exactly. Separates it from the rest.
Yeah, so step one, we are going to muddle mint
Alright.
from the bottom of the shaker. We like to use the shaker for our mojito. It really incorporates those ingredients, gets it ice cold, and like breaks them up a little bit more. It's just awesome.
And you can strain out what we're muddling in here so you don't end up with
Chewing on leaves.
a bunch of leaves in your drink, but you still get the fresh flavor.
Yeah.
Some extract. That's the way to do it.
Yeah. All right, so we've got our mint in there.
Nice.
Yeah, dude,
Please smell it here.
that's amazing. All right, let's bloob this up.
Move it up.
Now, you can add however many blueberries you want to this, but we decided
It's still a little heavy.
we're gonna go heavy.
Yeah.
More?
A little bit more.
So we're gonna muddle those blueberries, break them up real good, incorporate them with the mint. Now we're gonna add 1 ounce of simple syrup per person and 1 ounce of lime juice per person.
Okay.
Man, I'm
Looks
excited.
good.
I'm excited about this one, dude. All right, so before we shake this up, we're gonna add our rum.
Yes.
We're doing 2 ounces of rum per person for this drink. Silver Carolina Rum.
One of my favorites,
Yeah.
one that really turned me on to what we were doing here at Muddy River.
Yeah, it is phenomenal. This is the hardest one to make, too, to make well.
Exactly.
Silver rum.
In fact, it's made so well, it speaks volumes to what we're doing.
Amen to that. All right, we got all that stuff in the glass or in the
Nice.
shaker. And ice that up.
Nailing it every time.
I don't know how.
Yeah, we've just, got it.
Okay. So we've got that in there. We're just gonna top this off with a little bit of soda. Club soda. Give her a garnish. And there you go.
Beautiful.
That is a blueberry mojito. Made just right.
Look at that color. I'm excited to drink that.
Yeah. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe, along with links to our website and social media, will be in the description below. Don't forget to ask for us in your local liquor store. Come out here and take a tour. We're open every Saturday from noon to 4 for tours of our distillery. You can see how the products are made. And like and subscribe to this video. Leave us a comment if you have any ideas for cocktails you want to see. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Yeah, Frank tried to bring a damn mouse in the house yesterday.
Right?
Carolina opened the door, I hear a shriek. Cat's got a live mouse.
She's a huntress.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, you think about lions. Lions do the same thing. Female lions do most of the hunting.
Yeah. Man, lions suck.
They just suck.
They look cool though. Unless they're in the zoo. Then they get a pooch. Humans at their finest. They're the worst. Except for the ones that make liquor.
Except for
They're the
ones that
best.
make liquor.
We ain't harming no animals.
Belmont, North Carolina.
Is our rum vegan?